Hi YouTubers, this is a video about how much power you're taking out of your DC storage to power up an AC appliances. In my case, I have a shop heater, or in my case, my garage heater, that has two infrared elements that totals 800 watts based on what they put on their label. Right there, 800 watts, and all the other information. This heater has two settings. One is for low, for 400 watts, and you have to add the slow swing that swings the heater in a motion, or high, which is 800 watt, with swing, again, to swing it to the motion to the left and right to heat up a bigger area. I'm gonna connect it to the city electricity with a watt meter and check the readings, and then I will connect it to my trusty Magnum inverter, pure sine 4024, to check out the readings and see how much you are using and how much I have to put back in it. Right now, my batteries are at 25.7 each 4-cell banks. And we'll see what happens. Okay, I hooked up my kilowatt meter through this strip that connected to the city electricity, and it's reading 121.5 volts, amps, zero watts, zero, and the hertz is about 60, and kilowatt hour, zero. So we're gonna go to volts again and turn the heater on to high. Both elements came on, nice and warm. Let's check the reading. 118.5 amps, 6.3 amps, watts, 742 or 740 hertz, 60 kilowatt hour, and that's not much anyways. You're at 730 watts. Yes, kitty. You're good. Let's switch to low. Okay, only one element is on. And let's check the readings. About 370 watts. 120 volts. 3 amps. 370 watts at 60 hertz. And that's the usage. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to disconnect the input from the city to my inverter and see how much power I'm drawing from my battery banks that my clamp meter will help to show it. Okay, I have the voltmeter at 120 volts. That is connected to my inverter magnet sign. And I'm going to connect the amp meter. I'm going to set it at 400 and zero it and connect it to my positive of the amp, of the input of the 24 volt amp. Right now it shows at about 7 amps. Everything is off. I think I have my refrigerator or freezer on. It's about 4 amps drawing. And now I'm gonna go to amps 0. You good, baby, you're okay. And I will turn the heater on high. Okay, you have the heater on high. Both elements are glowing. We have about 6.4, 6.5 amps. Go to watts. About 770 watts. About 60 hertz. About 6.3 amps with 2 elements on, and we're drawing about 39, 40 amps DC. So for every, let's say you have 6.2 amps AC using, you have to provide but 40 amps, but 5 times. So keep that in mind, guys, about your usage. That's what the draw is from the Magnum inverter. About 39 amps direct current to use a heater AC that is drawing 6.2 amps. Thanks for watching, guys.